Strings being pulled again by Xavi, and there was no offside flag, and Godina made a really good save. It was Messi with the overhead. They're all looking around for the flag, but it stayed down. It would seem that he broke the offside.
Well, that was slightly...
There's Messi with a lovely looking through ball, aimed at David Villa. The goalkeeper comes out, but they haven't cleared their lines. And the final shot just goes wide. All the pressure, though, from Barcelona. Messi has gone close a couple of times.
Well, this is an incident from Xavi. We can't see whether or not Messi is offside, but I thought that was an opportunity where he should have just headed it and just dinked it over the goalkeeper. As it was, decent chest control.
Much travelled player, Mendy. Here's Lionel Messi. Says he never intends to travel anywhere away from this club, and they're right through again. It was David Villa who went over. They win it back. This is an example of how quickly they do so, and that is amazing clearance, and surely it's over. Well, it was an extraordinary little incident. I think Villa's gone back to complain about the penalty. Somehow, Getafe have held on, and it's still just 1-0.
Well, I can't believe I didn't see another ball in the back of the Getafe net. The first question you have to ask, was it a penalty on David Villa? There he is, he cuts inside on Diaz leaves a trailing leg, Villa goes over it. And then again, we talk about the regains. Ball into the path of Lionel Messi, and I thought possibly he could have gone down as Godina left a trailing leg. Great defending on the line, you have to say. That time I think it was his rear end which got in the way, but you see once again with Barcelona dominating affairs, possession stakes again will be very, very high. It's the last third where they become very sharp and incisive.
Here they go again, Bojan and Messi. Messi was bundled over. Messi, lovely touch to Alves, and the return ball again. Offside though against Lionel Messi.
I think when you look at this weekend's fixtures, there's some phenomenal games around, John, isn't there? Not only with the Madrid derby tonight, but Valencia, Sevilla tomorrow as well.
Oh, here they go again. This time Villa is in on goal. And a fine block. Iniesta weaving into the box.
Well, it's actually Iniesta who did the dummy. His first touch wasn't too bad, but I thought that he could have been a little bit quicker. As he just closed down from Meccano. Just goes away for a throw. And that's what happened.
Messi's got room. Don't often see that these days, do you? Here he goes, weaving between orange shirts. Now he's got no room. 4 of them hunting him like a pack of dogs. And it's Messi again. He's surely onside here, even if Bojan was offside. Villa's on the charge. Still Messi with his own personal possession counter in a moment. Lovely stuff from Barcelona. Is there an end product this time? It's Dani Alves. And they've worked it beautifully, and in the end, the shot
is to make themselves a lot more narrower. But it doesn't matter at times against Barcelona how narrow you play. They always seem to be able to thread that ball through an eye of a needle.
They win it back again. Iniesta, as Arsenal found to their course. He's very effective at that. A little pirouette there from Messi. There's a plan, isn't there, from Getafe? There's lots of teams do now against Barcelona. Throw lots of bodies to the edge of the penalty area. But here's Messi again. He has a look around. Bojan wants it. Villa wants it on the back post. He goes for goal, and with the aid of a deflection, Bojan makes it 2 for Barcelona. Impact that has. It might be more of an obvious focal point. Mendy can do that, but he hasn't been. Messi, good cover, it needs cover, but he still can't knock him off the ball. Look at the strength and balance from Messi. And eventually they got around him. He seemed almost determined to carry on his own though.
Well, the thing is with Lionel Messi, he might just get the occasional clip whatsoever, but he's not one of those players to go down very quickly. Great tenacity in his running once again.
Fabulous. How many players has he taken on this time? Messi, and he's given it to Villa again. And now it's Piqué. I had a feeling he would shoot.